Okay students, now we will go for one more problem. This is actually 11th problem in our material. How the problem is given once I am revising. The hollow charged metal sphere has a radius small r with the potential difference between its surface and a point at a distance 3r from the center is V. Then electric field intensity at a distance 3r from the center is. Say from the center at a distance 3r we want to find out capital E value. For example, say this is one hollow sphere. So this is I am representing one sphere having radius small r. For example, this is one point we are chosen. So just here I am constructing here one imaginary sphere like this. This is one imaginary sphere I am representing. This is maybe center of the sphere, and this is one more distance I am taking. This is 3r distance I am taking. So here we know the thing 3r is compulsory greater than r, and one more thing we know E at 3r we want to find out. See, E at 3r is how much, that is asking. So here we know E value is equal to in general 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by here that is nothing but 3r whole square by electric field intensities. So this is the relation we may represent. E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by 3r whole square we are getting. So E value is equal to one more thing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by 9r square we can find. Then this is I am taking as equation number 1. So one more thing is by potential difference concept we want to find out. By potential difference, by difference in potential, how to we can find here, we can find like this. So that is V is equal to here two different potentials we have. So one is on surface and another one is at a distance 3r. So V is equal to I am taking 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by r. This is on surface. So at a distance 3r, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by 3r. This is one more thing. So here we are getting like this. V value is equal to here we are taking the common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r taken common means here 1 minus 1 by 3 we are getting here. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r. Here by taking LCM this one is we are getting as 2 by 3. So let's students, this is we are taking as equation 2. So I want to find out E value in terms of V based on options we want to find. So I am writing like this. So divide equation 1 by equation 2. Therefore E by V is equal to how much we are getting 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by 9r square whole divided by this value V is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught here q by r into 2 by 3 we are getting. So here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will be cancelled in numerator and denominator. Q is also cancelled in numerator and denominator. Here once r is also cancelled. So we are getting here 1 by 9 whole divided by here 1 by 9r divided by 2 by 3. So this one is 1 by 9r into 3 by 2 we are getting. So this one 3 times cancel. So next step we may represent E by V is equal to 1 divided by 6r we will represent. Therefore we are representing E is equal to V divided by 6r. So from this one here correct option is option number 1. So here V by 6r is the correct answer for us. So this is the way of getting result for this solution. Okay students. Now one more question we are ready to start, that is two charges 12 microcoulombs and 10 microcoulombs are at 10 centimeters apart is given. So solution now I am starting. First charge q1 is equal to 12 microcoulombs, so that is 12 into 10 power minus 6 coulombs I am taken. Another charge q2 is equal to 10 microcoulombs, that is 10 into 10 power minus 6 coulombs I am represented, or at initially at a distance 10 centimeters. So r1 is equal to 10 centimeters, so I am taking 10 into 10 power minus 2 meters is I am choosing if they are brought closer to a distance of 4 centimeters. So another distance is 4 centimeter is given, so 4 into 10 power minus 2 meter is given. Then work done we want to calculate. So work done is equal to how much? So work done is equal to our potential energy is equal to, we can represent as here, that is u final minus u initial. So what is u final value and what is u initial value means, so here u final value I am represented as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by r2. This is final value. Here minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by, here r1 is the one notation. So here just we are taking the common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common we are taken into q1 q2 is also we are taken common. So here we are getting as 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. So students, we know very well 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value in SI system 9 into 10 power 9, q1 value is 12 into 10 power minus 6 and q2 value is 10 into 10 power minus 6. But in r2 in denominator we want to check it, 4 centimeters is present. 4 centimeters means that is 4 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 I am taking common. 1 by 4 minus here 1 by 10 also I am taking like this. So here 10 power minus 2 is common. So now here once we can check it, this one 10 power minus 4 times. So totally 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 10. Here 10 power 9 and 10 power 10 into 10, 10 power 10. So finally this one and this one cancel. So now we are getting as W value is equal to 9 into 12. Here on LCM we are getting means this one is 40. Here 10 minus 4 is becomes here we are getting as 6. So here on simplification we are getting as 12th table and this 40 how to cancel means by 4th table here I am cancelling here 3 times, here 10 times. So here in numerator we are getting as 162, in denominator 10. So therefore W value here is 16.2 joules we are getting. So this is the way of getting the result for this solution. Okay students, so next one more problem we will think it now. See students, here the problem is 3 charges minus q, q and minus q are on straight line is given and the equidistance from each other. If the total potential energy of the system is 0, then that person is expecting q by q is equal to how much. So for example this is one straight line, once imagine. So let here this is minus q is given, here q is given and this one is minus q is given. Let this is a distance r between these two and this is also a distance r between these two. Let in between these two how much is present, 2r distance is present. This is the way of representing on a straight line. So that person is expecting q by q is equal to how much. Given condition is the total energy or total potential energy is becomes 0. So u is equal to 0. This is the given condition. So u is equal to 0 means we can represent u1 plus u2 plus u3 is equal to 0. So u1 value is equal to how we are finding, that value is we are finding as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This one is minus q into q divided by, in between these two the distance is r is present, plus here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So in between these two means here I am representing q into minus q divided by r. Now we are representing in between minus q and minus q, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q into minus q divided by 2r. This value is equal to 0. So here overall 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r is I am taking common here minus q into capital Q, here also minus q into capital Q, here plus q square divided by 2 is the relation we will get. This is becomes 0. So now I am representing here minus q into q minus q into q plus q square by 2 is equal to 0. In next step we may represent as minus q plus q by 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2 into capital Q is equal to minus q by 2. So minus minus will be cancelled. Now we will get as q by q is equal to 1 by 4. So or otherwise we will represent this one as capital Q is to small q is equal to 1 is to 4. This is the result for us. So remaining problems in next class we can ready to solve.